In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from MEXC Global safely and correctly. First, open the MEXC app or website and log in. On the main screen, go to Assets and then spot and check that the coin you want to withdraw is in your spot wallet, not locked in futures, margin, or earn. If it is, tap Transfer and move it back to spot so it's available for withdrawal. Next, go to Assets arrow Withdraw and make sure crypto is selected. Choose the coin you want to send, for example USDT, BTC, or ETH. By now you'll need three things: the recipient wallet address, the correct network, and the amount. Open the wallet or exchange you're sending to, tap Receive, copy the deposit address, then go back to MEXC and paste it into the address field. Select the same network they support, such as ERC20, TRC20, or another chain. For some coins like XRP or XLM, you may also need to enter a tag or memo. Don't skip this if it's required. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the network fee, and double-check the coin, address, network, and memo/tag. When everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal and complete any email, SMS, or Google Authenticator security checks. Finally, go to Assets arrow Withdraw History to track the status until it's completed on-chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.